Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Today I won't tell you about the cryptocurrency or Bitcoin or Ethereum. Bitcoin, Ethereum technical analysis. BTC fell below $22,000 to start the week. Bitcoin fell below $22,000 to start the new trading week, as sentiment in crypto markets seems to have turned bearish. The world's largest token saw weekend's price declines extended on Monday, with Ethereum also experiencing similar downward momentum. The global market cap is down over 3% as of reading. Bitcoin freaks were once again in the red during today's session, as freaks fell below $22,000 to start the week. The world's largest cryptocurrency fell to an intraday low of $21,834.35 in today's session, which is over $100 lower than Sunday's peak. Yesterday saw BTC or USD trade at a high of $22,874,000. However, as market turbulence heightened, prices of the token have slipped as a result. Today's move has seen Bitcoin fall towards its recent support point of $21,000. However, bulls have so far resisted attempts by bears to force a Blackrock. Following today's lows, BTC has somehow rebounded, and as of reaching is trading marginally below $22,000 at $21,899.16. The relative tech index has also fallen, with the indicator now tracking at 50, which has previously been a level of support. Ethereum. In addition to Bitcoin, Ethereum was also in the red, as freaks fell towards what looks to be a new support point at $1.5,000. ETH or USD shipped to an intraday low of $1.566 to start the week, as prices continue to consolidate for the 7th consecutive session. This week-long consolidation has been taking place between a floor of $155,000 and a recent free scaling of $1.650. Okay guys, maybe just this. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.